You know, you strum a chord or you play an instrument and it emits a sound. There's a sound that's emitted from the instrument. You know, so what determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency? When you play a note, on an instrument, what determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What determines acceleration? What determines momentum? What determines velocity? What is the sound trajectory that occurs? So we take in a physics analysis of sound. We're not looking at sound from a music perspective, from a music theory perspective. Because if you look at sound from a musical perspective, you have to get into the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales. Primarily the diatonic scales was like extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western